I'll show you two easy ways to connect to Wi-Fi on your Android tablet. I like to do this by swiping down from the top right corner to open the quick settings. Then tap the gray part of the Wi-Fi button or press and hold it, and you'll see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Pick the one you want to connect to, and you'll be prompted for a password if that network requires one. I'll type in the password, hit connect, and I'm all set. Another way to do this is through your settings. Go to Settings and then Connections. On some Android versions, instead of Connections, you'll have this under Network and Internet, or simply under Wi-Fi. I'll then go to my Wi-Fi settings, and here I have my current Wi-Fi network, as well as all the available networks. This is also where I could view all the settings and details about the Wi-Fi I'm currently using, or use the buttons on the bottom to make my tablet disconnect and forget this Wi-Fi network. And that's how you connect to Wi-Fi. Click the like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.